When it comes to finding reliable plumbing contractors near me in Marathahalli, Bangalore, one name that stands out is Scon Design India Private Limited. Scon Design is a reputable company known for its expertise in plumbing services. With years of experience in the industry, they have built a strong reputation for delivering top-notch plumbing solutions to both residential and commercial clients. Finding a reliable and trustworthy plumbing contractor can be a daunting task, especially in a bustling city like Bangalore. However, Scon Design takes all the guesswork out of the equation by providing highly skilled and experienced plumbers who are well-versed in all aspects of plumbing. Whether you need assistance with installing new fixtures, repairing leaks, or unclogging drains, their team of professionals can handle it all. One of the key advantages of choosing Scon Design as your plumbing contractor is their commitment to customer satisfaction. They understand that plumbing issues can arise at any time and can cause significant inconvenience. That's why they offer prompt and efficient services, ensuring that your plumbing problems are resolved quickly and effectively. Their team of experts utilizes the latest tools and techniques to diagnose and fix plumbing issues, ensuring long-lasting results. In addition to their expertise in plumbing services, Scon Design also offers a wide range of other services related to interior design and home improvement. Whether you need assistance with remodeling your kitchen or bathroom or require help with electrical work or painting, Scon Design has got you covered. Their team of professionals has the skills and knowledge to handle any project, big or small, with precision and attention to detail. When it comes to finding reliable plumbing contractors near me in Marathahalli, Bangalore, Scon Design India Private Ltd is a name that stands out. With their expertise in both plumbing services and interior design, Scon Design offers a comprehensive solution for all your plumbing needs. Whether you require installation, repair, or maintenance services, their team of skilled professionals is equipped to handle projects of any size or complexity. One of the key factors that sets Scon Design apart from other plumbing contractors in Marathahalli is their commitment to quality and customer satisfaction. They understand the importance of providing efficient and effective plumbing solutions to ensure that your home or office functions smoothly. With their attention to detail and precision, they strive to exceed customer expectations in every project they undertake. Scon Design India Private Ltd not only offers top-notch plumbing services, but also specializes in interior design. This unique combination allows them to provide a holistic approach to your plumbing needs, ensuring that not only are the technical aspects taken care of but also the aesthetic appeal of your space. Their team of experienced interior designers can seamlessly integrate plumbing fixtures into your overall design,